Now let's start right here. When you select your video in the timeline, you can scroll on this option right here far to the right side. And right here, you are going to see this option right here, which is the adjust. And when you select it right here, you got a lot of options. So what I'm going to do now is to divide these adjustments options here, all these adjustments option right here, and see which adjustment is capable of doing what. And now, of course, on the very first stage of this process, you are going to use, which is the color correction, you are going to use the exposure, the contrast, the saturation, the brightness, the highlights, and the shadows, alright? And on the second stage of your process, you can use the temperature, the tone, the black and white level, and you can also use the exposure in this second stage. And you can also use the contrast, saturation, vibrance, and of course, we don't have color wheel on this version of mobile Filmora. Also, we don't have the color curves, you know. And of course, we're expecting those features anytime soon. And right here on the very last stage, which is the secondary color grading, you are going to use the HSL. Is the very fundamental of this stage, especially with this version of Filmora. Now that I've divided these tools for you, you know exactly what to do. Let's move on, alright?